Hello, people. This is Boomerang Bird having a comb in its mouth. Hi, everyone. I'm the Boomerang Bird. As you can see, I am a boomerang, actually, but I'll show you later. Okay. Now, I'm going to fly. How are you going to fly? Well, this is it. I'll put a comb in my mouth. See how my mouth is shaped like a boomerang? That's why I call me a boomerang bird. You put the comb in my mouth, and then you close it. And then see? And that's how I call the comb boomerang bird. And then, here's another bird, but he's the first bird, and his slingshot, I didn't really have yet. But, anyway, now here you go in a sling and try killing that big pig. See him? Pretty big. Yeah, here's a small pig. Small pig is very different from the big pig. I'll show you that at the end of the video. Anyway, let's get on with it. Whee! And then he died immediately and might bleed. Okay, now here comes the boomerang bird. Totally, very, very stupid move. Not even gonna hit the pig. What the? He used the special power, the boomerang power. He throws the comb. It hits him in the nose. And then the boomerang bird flings back as well and hits him. And then he jumps. And then he crashes really quickly. And then they looked at the spider monkey. And then the pig, while they were going, he got a spider monkey mask from Ben 10. If you watch Cartoon Network, you know what that is. And then the boomerang bird came back and they flew. And they hit him and hit the mask. And then I was like, what? That mask is so scary. And then he threw it. That did not go too far. And then he keeps on hitting him and hitting him and hitting him. But in fact, he was just a piece of cardboard. And I was like, what? And the real person controlling him was the piece of a magazine. The magazine, yeah. Kung Fu Panda, Kung Fu Fred, whatever, Fearless 5, whatever. I hate this channel. Ow. I think I conquered him. Let's see what the last page is. It's so hard. And it's going to give you the answers. Really? That's cool. Wahoo! I'm a flying bird. Oh, I'm the flying bird. Wow, it's dark in here. You can't see a thing. Dun, dun, dun. Uh-oh, let's get out of here. What the crap? What the crap happened? What the crap? Hey, where'd the boomerang bird go? Boomerang, 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 boomerang. 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 Here I am. What the? You turned into a girl.
Right, that's right.
No, I didn't. I'm a boomerang, see? Liar! No, I'm not. No, you're not. You're not a liar. I can see in your eyes. You are a liar.
And then I ended up doing it with this tiny little...
You're a liar, for goodness sake. You are a liar. No, I'm not. Yes, I am. I'm a liar. Die, you stupid animal. Die, you stupid animal. Hey, boomerang bird. Yes? Do you mind walking right over there? Sure. I don't see why you want me to walk over there, but okay. Meanwhile, uh-oh. Bam! And then she bleeded all over. And one of her blood came out as a red thing. It's a red thing. It's a red thing. It is a red thing.
Dirty job.
It's a red thing. Listen to...
Yeah?
It's a red thing. It's a red thing. Listen to that SpongeBob. Technical difficulties. Technical difficulties. Technical difficulties. Technical difficulties. Now, if you look again. Yeah, there, affected foot! What the crap? I am bounced away! Like I am the boomerang bird. Wee! Ow, I'm so big. I'm a pretty ballerina. What the heck? That's not a ballerina. I'm the pretty ballerina. What the heck is that?
That was the first time. She didn't know what to do, you know. She asked her, then she asked her mom if she could ever sell